What happens when one of the most beautiful hypercars gets shrunk down and turned into a Hot Wheels? Today, we are going to see the Hot Wheels Pagani Utopia, a tiny diecast inspired by a car that costs millions in the real world. But is this little utopia actually worthy of a spot in your collection? Let's find out. Hey collectors, welcome to the channel Collect with me. If you love Hot Wheels, diecasts, and everything automotive, make sure you have subscribed to the channel because I bring you brand new reviews and detailed looks to some of the coolest Hot Wheels out there. And today, we have got something really special, the Hot Wheels Pagani Utopia. Before jumping to the car, let's take a closer look at the car itself. And honestly, the artwork immediately gives this car a premium and exotic feeling. The Pagani Utopia is shown in all its aggressive yet elegant styling. And even from the packaging, you can tell this isn't your ordinary sports car. Now, let's jump onto the car itself. The first thing that catches my eye is the overall shape. Hot Wheels has managed to capture the incredibly low and wide stance of the real Pagani Utopia surprisingly well. The body lines are sharp, the proportions looks fantastic, and the design instantly screams Pagani. The wheels also give it a really sporty appearance, and the small details around the body makes the casting look much more premium that you might expect from such a tiny car. From the front, you can see the low and aggressive face move around to the side, and the flowing bodywork really stands out. And then we get to the rear. That's where the Utopia's design gets even more dramatic. One of my favorite thing about this casting is that it doesn't just look like a generic hypercar, it actually feels like the real miniature version of the Pagani Utopia. Now, let's talk about the real car. The real Pagani Utopia is a hypercar created by the Italian manufacturer Pagani. Now here's what makes it more special. Pagani didn't simply try to make the Utopia faster and more complicated. Instead, the Utopia was designed around a more traditional idea of what an exciting driver's car should feel like. It features a 6-liter twin-turbo V12 engine developed by Mercedes-AMG, producing over 864 horsepower. And yes, you can get it in manual transmission. That's something you don't see very often in modern hypercars. And then there's the price. The real Pagani Utopia starts at well over $2 million depending upon the specifications and the market. So while most of us probably won't be able to park this car in our garage, at least we could have one sitting in our Hot Wheels shelf. Overall, I just loved this car. Now it's your turn. Rate this car from 1 to 10 and tell me in the comments, would you keep this beauty sealed or open it? So see you guys soon in the next video. Till then, stay tuned, subscribe to the channel. Who knows, next car could be your dream collectible.